What's going on, guys? Something serious to back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download the Unc0ver app for free without any jailbreak, and it works 100%. If you want to know how to download the Unc0ver app, stick around to the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is you're going to go to any browser and you're going to search up tutu.io. This is the new one. Just go and search it up. The link will be in the description. Just click the link and it will directly take you to this page. And after you're on this page, all you're gonna do is just click the install button, install now, and there's one ad. Just ignore that, and you can see there's a lot of options. If the first one doesn't work, try the second one, and I'm gonna try the second one. And this is not the Unc0ver's app. This is just a Tutu app. You can't get the Unc0ver app from Tutu app. It just say install. It's installing now. You can't see it's done installing. All I have to do is just click it. It's untrusted developer. If I want to trust the app, all I have to do is just go to settings, and you're gonna scroll down and click general. You're gonna scroll down until you find device management. You're gonna click that, and you're gonna click this, and you're gonna trust the app. If you don't do this, the app's not going to work. And now all you're gonna do is just go to Tutu box and click here's the Unc0ver, the first one. Click gate install. Now it should be installing. It's done. Okay, like 1 or 2 seconds to finish installing, and you can see I have the Unc0ver app. If I open the app, it will work 100%. If I click on unsupported, it works. I'm not gonna click that because I'm recording by my phone. It's gonna shut down if I click this. And this pretty much how you do, guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and peace.